Dow Jones and Nasdaq achieving the highs, saw a good drop. We expected this. I told you that US30 might see 33,000 levels, and Nasdaq 100 did not act much bullish, but yes, it had in fact gone close 11,450, 500 zone before looking forward to an extreme drop taking till towards staying at an 860 levels, very strong support. Now what to expect today? We have profited immensely. See the performance there in the communities tab in my signals channel. We have profited, and you all have shared your screenshots to me in person. I hope everyone has benefited. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit, so do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into Nasdaq 100, then we'll look into Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels, and yes, press the bell icon. The next update on US100 will be up before the US cash session, so do watch that also. That will set the tone for the rest of the session there. Now look at the hourly charts. See the performance here, then the drop. Now can you expect then similar performance to be seen? Possibly yes. See, it is seen this. We have talked about double top, gap filling, everything done. Then this sharp drop with consolidation, then drop. Now trying to consolidate how far it can go. There is a stronger resistance at around 11,050 levels, which is going to be a very strong resistance. And beyond that, 11,200 only bullish confirmation is if it comes out of this zone between 200 and 400. Highly unlikely, but let's see. Directional movement bearish, stochastic overbought. MACD is extremely bearish, trying to converge, and RSI is oversold. Hence, a little rise cannot be denied, or it may consolidate here a little. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Certainly lower lows than this indicates bearishness. Now it is trying to retrace a bit, but look at the 2-hour charts here. See the candles there. The candle size is diminished. I'll wait for it. It can probably again continue the downward momentum from here itself. You can sell there at 10,900. You can expect it to drop more for 10,850, and below that 10,800. Below 10,800 again sharper drop can be expected. On the upside, buy there at 10,970. Expect 11,020, 11,040 levels first resistance, and then 11,100 levels to be seen. Beyond that, it is going to fly high. Directional movement extremely bearish, stochastic extremely oversold, MACD is bearish extremely, RSI oversold, and hence probably a little rise can be expected. In fact, you can buy there at 10,950. Expect 11,000, 11,020, 40, 60, and then 11,100 as the major resistance there on the upside, and then 11,200 will come into picture. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Higher lows, higher highs, trying to trade in this. Breaking beyond 10,950, 10,960. You can expect 11,020, 40, 60, 11,100, and then beyond that it can show you stronger rise. See 11,050, very strong resistance, and then beyond that 11,100 and 200 zone should come into picture. Hence you can stay long about 10,950 levels. The directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold, MACD is bearish, RSI is looking downwards. On every other aspect, it is oversold in the minor time frames. Now look at the 4-hour chart. Sharper drop, consolidation candle, higher highs, flat top, breaking beyond 10,950. Certainly you can remain long for 11,000, 11,020, 40, 50, and then beyond that 11,100 plus level. Same story. Directional movement bearish, stochastic trading oversold, MACD is bearish, RSI trading near to bottom. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, it has completed the fall here. Lower lows are also done here, almost near to bottom, and the previous lows you can find out. See, this was the previous lows here, and it is trying to show you higher lows. And see, this last 3 drops you can find out it still has considered a lower lows there in the near term. Now breaking below this zone at 10,850, you can consider we are looking forward to another round of drop, taking it till towards 10,700, 10,600, 500 levels, and below levels are also possible. As see, it is trying to give you a breakout, and any breakout below this zone should be considered an extreme fall for Nasdaq 100, and hence you have to remain short once it stays below 10,850. You can in fact right now you can sell at 10,900, expect 10,860, 850 as the major support, then 10,800. Below that it is going to fall heavily till towards 10,650, 10,500 levels. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy at 10,950 itself. Expect 11,020, 11,050 and 11,100 levels as the major resistance, then 11,150 and 200 will come into picture. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. We do not want to lose anything, and hence you have to put your stop loss at cost every time when you see your trade is in little profits, and then you have to trail your profits. Re-enter when you see there is a good entry. So take your trades accordingly. Now If you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch starts on 7th of November. Couple of seats are still left. You can be part of it. Reach out to me for more details. Else look at this performance of our signals channel. The performance record and the screenshots are posted in the communities tab where I post my comments. You can watch that communities tab and see how beautifully we have profited this thing out there. Reach out to me for more details on my signals channel. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for more details. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Important thing on Dow Jones on the hourly charts is higher highs. Important thing here is higher lows. And yes, it also indicates that probability of a reversal exists if it breaks past 32,800. Hence, for now, it has created the base here at 32,050 and now trying to reverse again. See the steps getting created. Higher highs it may trade here and then a breakout again will be seen. Maybe with the Euro option 32,300, 400 levels can be expected. So for the day you can buy at 3250, expect 32,300, 400 as the major resistance. 400 is a very strong resistance. Beyond that 500 and 600 levels to be seen. Beyond that 800 levels is the next target. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic at the highs. MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI looking upwards now. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, taking the support from the 100 period moving average, looking upwards now. 32,500 and 600. So 32,400, 600 zone that we talked about multiple times is again going to be the next resistance. And see, it is trying to still consolidate, possibly again breaking out here. Consolidating here, it can again break out on the downside, and hence you have to remain cautious. So one thing is clear, in between 32,250 and 32,150, do not take the trade. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold, MACD bearish, RSI trading at bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts, possibly showing a second green candle, possibly. Now another observation here is 3 candles are very well aligned. It can again reverse on the downside, but only sell entry below 32,150 is there, and hence sell there. Expect 32,100, 32,050, and then below that it is going to break below 32,000 levels. So in between 32,150, 250, do not trade. But remember another observation there. See, till this zone at 31,800, I will not consider this as bearish. It can probably bounce back any point of time. Below 31,800, it is going to crash strongly. First target at around 31,500, next at around 31,200, and then below that we may see another round of good drop. Hence you have to remain cautious of 31,800 levels there. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD is bearish. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation there. See, one green red candle, taking a base and now trying to show you a greener candle, but on the upside getting the resistance there. Possibility exists that beyond 32,250 we can see a good rise for 32,400 levels. And if you see the MACD divergent bearish, stochastic oversold, RSI trading near to the bottom, getting the support there. Look at the daily charts, completing the journey till here. It is trying to rise again. Potentially, if it is trying to trade in this, it can show you a good rise. Buy at 32,250, expect 32,300, 400, 500, 600. Every 100 points there is a little resistance, hence must take your trades accordingly. Only sell entry below 32,150 exists. Still till 32,000, till 31,800 rather I will say, 31,800 rather I will say, it can probably bounce back a little. Hence you have to remain cautious. Sell at 32,150, but trail your stop losses till the time it trades above 31,800 levels. So sell at 32,150, buy at 32,250. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Look at the performance on the communities tab. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for more details on training and trading. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.